I'm Ziaire, and this is my partner Nayla, and this is our science fair project.
We wanted to test the different water brands and the way they affect a kale plant's growth. The water brands we used was essential water, Poland Spring, sparkling water, and tap water. All these different water brands have different pH levels.
Our hypothesis is we both believe that essential water will have the biggest impact on plant growth. We believe this because plants normally need or use water with enough pH level. pH is a measure of how acidic/base water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. pH of less than 7 indicate acidity. Where a pH of greater than 7 indicates the water being basic, the pH of water is very important measurement concerning water quality. The average kale plant needs 6.0 to 7.5 pH, but essential water has a pH of 9.4. And too much of the water can affect the way a plant grows, and it could affect the way the plant grows by size, taste, color, or it could even kill the plant with too much nutrients.
Our investigation question is: do specific water brands affect the way a kale plant grows? We chose this project because we were in Mr. Six's Urban Ecology Spark. This is meaningful because we care about plants and our environment, and we want to make sure all plants are safe when it comes to watering.
Okay, the materials we use is multiple bottles of essential water, multiple bottles of Poland Spring water, multiple bottles of seltzer water, and 200 milliliters of faucet water every other week. We use 16 kale seeds, 16 rock wool, and 14 artificial lights.
So our experimental procedures. First, we put the kale the kale seeds inside the rock wool, which is in different containers. Step two, after putting the seeds inside the rock wool, we get our 4 different waters that are room temperature and apply 200 millimeters of water to each seed every week. Step three, after applying water to the seeds, move the rock wool under artificial light to allow the seeds to have a proper growth. Step four, weekly we'll be checking on the plant and making sure that the plant has sunlight and applying the proper water to the plant. Step five, we water the plant 1 day of the week for 2 weeks. Step six, repeat 1 through 5 for the second trial. And step seven, every week check the height of each plant. And this is me and Zaire's data. And this is our graph. So faucet water, we realized that it grew the most and it had more seeds. Well, it didn't actually grow that much, but it had more seeds by May 3rd. But Poland Spring also grew a lot, but faucet water has the better results. Essentia, apparently the plant died, so we didn't get any results from that.
Our possible variables that could have affected the way the plant grows is water evaporated at different rates due to the artificial light. Another variable is a spring break that we had. It could have stopped how we watered the plant. And halfway through the experiment, we covered the plants with plastic domes, which could affect the way a plant grows also. And another one is plastic trays. The plastic trays that we used, that we put the rock wool in, might have not been clean enough. In conclusion, the essential water had the biggest effect on the kale plant because it killed the plant, which leaves our hypothesis correct. However, the other plants were able to grow healthier with the other types of waters. Tap water ended up growing with the most plants, 13 out of 14. And that's it for our project.
Thank you.